Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete a theme space in Notion when using the Notion website. If you no longer need a theme space, here's how to delete it step by step. Log into Notion. Open your browser and go to Notion. Log into your account. Navigate to the theme space. On the left-hand sidebar, locate the theme space section. Click on the theme space you want to delete to open it. Access theme space settings. In the upper right corner, click on the three-dot menu or the Settings button. Select Theme Space Settings from the drop-down menu. Delete or archive the theme space. Scroll to the bottom of the Settings menu. If you have the correct permissions, you will see an option to delete theme space or archive theme space. Click Delete Theme Space and confirm the deletion. That's it. You have successfully deleted a theme space in Notion. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.